Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Pasta Primavera. Ingredients: cologne 12 ounces pasta spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne. 1 bunch asparagus, trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 pint cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 medium zucchini, sliced into half moons. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh basil leaves chopped for garnish. Grated Parmesan cheese for serving. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta and set aside. Prepare the vegetables. While the pasta is cooking, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the asparagus pieces to the skillet and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are tender crisp. Next, add the cherry tomatoes and zucchini slices to the skillet. Soak the vegetables for an additional 3 to 4 minutes, or until the tomatoes are slightly softened and the zucchini is tender. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, until fragrant. Season the vegetables with salt and pepper to taste. Combine pasta and vegetables. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the sauté vegetables. Drizzle the remaining olive oil over the pasta and vegetables. Toss everything together gently until the pasta and vegetables are evenly coated with the olive oil and garlic sauce. If the mixture seems dry, you can add a splash of pasta cooking water to loosen it up. Serve. Transfer Pasta Primavera to a serving dish or individual plates. Garnish with chopped fresh basil leaves and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious and vibrant Pasta Primavera. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, the heart of every great recipe is the love you put into it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time.